today's theme is Days of the Week.
Today we are reading Today is Monday. Pictures by Eric Carle. Today is Monday. Monday, string beans. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Wednesday, soup. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Thursday, roast beef. Wednesday, soup. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Friday, fresh fish. Thursday, roast beef. Wednesday, soup. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Saturday, chicken. Friday, fresh fish. Thursday, roast beef. Wednesday, soup. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Sunday, ice cream. Saturday, chicken. Friday, fresh fish. Thursday, roast beef. Wednesday, soup. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. All you hungry children, come and eat it up. And they're eating all the foods they talked about. The fresh fish, the spaghetti, the roast beef. Ooh, and the ice cream. Thank you for reading with me today.
It's puppet time.
Today we'll be meeting a pelican from the book Today is Monday with pictures by Eric Carle.
Hi, my name is Rita and I have some friends here with me today.
My name's Arabella. And my name's Hudson.
Today we have a special guest. I think it's coming this way. That's a pelican. Oh, be careful of its, what is that called?
Beak.
A beak. That's a very big beak, huh? Where do pelicans live? Do you know?
I think the water.
The water, probably like the beach, right? By the ocean? Well, I think it's starting to like you. It's getting friendly. What colors do you see on the pelican?
Red, orange, white, yellow, brown, black.
I think the pelican might be hungry. Do you guys think so?
Mm-hmm.
What do they eat?
Fish.
Well, I think I have some fish right here. Who wants to feed the pelican?
Me.
All right, you guys can feed it together, all right? Oh, okay, first Hudson. Ah! It's so good! Oh, he caught it! Good job! I think the pelican's running away with our fish.
Hi, and welcome to the World of Eric Carle. I'm Renee.
And I'm Natalie.
And today's theme is Days of the Week, inspired by the Eric Carle book, Today is Monday.
Our craft today that we'll be making is a calendar of the days of the week, along with what we did during the week.
The materials you're gonna need are markers, a pencil, scissors, paper, cardboard cut into squares, Velcro, or if you don't have Velcro tape at home, you can just use regular tape.
And we have our poster board, but the first thing that we need are the days of the week. What do we start with?
Sunday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Saturday,
and that's all 7. All right, so we have these little circles ready to go for the days of the week, but we're gonna show you how to make them first. So we have our tissue paper, we have our cardboard. We're gonna take our glue stick and glue the tissue paper to the cardboard to create the circle. Once you have enough glue, place it down on the cardboard.
make sure it's stuck on there real nice and smooth.
All right, I've got mine all ready to go.
And once you're finished sticking your paper onto the cardboard,
We have a roll of tape to kind of trace the circle around. We're gonna take our pencil and trace along just like this around the circle. There we go, nice big circle. And after you have your circle traced, we're gonna cut it out with our scissors.
you can ask a grown-up to help you if you need help cutting out the circle. We're gonna take our scissors.
Cut right along the line there. As best you can to make a nice big circle. Now we've used yellow for our circles, but you can use any color you like.
We're gonna make sure we have 7 of them.
For all of the days of the week.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, we've got them all. So now we have to write the days of the week. Which ones would you like to start with?
I'll write Sunday through Wednesday.
Sounds good. I'll do Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
When you're finished writing out the days of the week, take some Velcro or some regular tape if you have at home and stick it onto the back of the circles.
Wonderful. Once we have all of our circles ready to go, we're going to take our nice long piece of Velcro and create a line on the calendar so that we can stick them on. Get it
Let me
started.
give you some help.
Thank you. All right. Place it just like so in a nice long line. And you can have your friend or your parent help you.
After you're finished putting the Velcro or tape down on your paper board, it's time to stick the days of the week. Sunday,
All right.
Monday, Tuesday,
Then we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All right, next we should get our second line ready so that we can tell what we did on those days of the week. Place it nice and gentle, right below the days of the week.
Once you've put your second Velcro down, take the cardboard pieces that you cut into squares to draw what you did on that day of the week. We drew a flower on this cardboard cutout because on Sunday, we did some gardening.
Yes, we did.
Tape a piece of Velcro or tape at the back and stick it under Sunday for whatever you did that day.
On Monday, I played with my dog, so I'm gonna draw my dog.
On Tuesday, I read a book, so I'm gonna draw a book.
Wonderful. And place it on Monday.
And I'll place my book on Tuesday.
Well, then on Wednesday, I baked a cake. So I'm gonna draw a nice big cake that I baked.
On Thursday, I went to the park, so I'll draw a tree and some grass.
And it was my friend's birthday, so I'm going to put a candle at the top. And Wednesday, my nice birthday cake.
And on Thursday, I went to the park.
On Friday, I played softball with my friends.
And on Saturday, arts and crafts.
All right, looks like we have all of the days of the week.
And there you have it. We hope you had so much fun making the Days of the Week calendar with us.
See you next time.
Thanks for joining us today. Hope you had fun. See you next time.